Fairfax County's top prosecutor is heading to Capitol Hill to defend his record. Commonwealth Attorney Steve Descano is expected to face tough questions over crime and immigration policy after the Justice Department accused his office of giving preferential treatment to undocumented defendants. Our Marcella Robertson is live on Capitol Hill with more on these details and to really break down what we're looking at in this case. Marcella, good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Well, at the center of these allegations really is whether Descano's office was too lenient in the prosecution of certain cases and whether or not that compromised public safety in Fairfax County. We got a copy ahead of his testimony this morning, and it really gives us a sense of how he's expected to defend himself and how he's expected to respond to lawmakers. Now, today's testimony, it comes just 1 week after the Justice Department launched its own civil rights investigation into Descano's office, arguing preferential treatment was given to certain criminal defendants in an effort to help them avoid deportation. Descano denies those claims, saying his office does not provide sanctuary or safe harbor to undocumented immigrants. But at the center of today's hearing will really be the murder of Stephanie Minter. She was stabbed to death at a Fairfax County bus stop earlier this year. The suspect in that case, Abdul Jallo, he's a Sierra Leone national, had a lengthy criminal record and a pending deportation order. He had been arrested 30 times before, but was released from jail at the time of Minter's murder. Stephanie's mother will also testify before the congressional subcommittee today. Here's her reaction to learning that the Justice Department launched this investigation last week. Take a listen.
I'm not after penalty. I just want bad business stopped. It's one more step into knowing that Stephanie's death wasn't for nothing.
In the copy of Descano's early remarks that we obtained, he offers his condolences to the Minter family and argues that his office is prosecuting the suspect to the fullest extent of the law. He also notes that it was ICE that released Jallo back into the community after nearly 2 years in custody. We also know that Descano plans to lean on his record of low violent crime for large jurisdictions at today's hearing. That hearing set to take place here on Capitol Hill at 10 a.m. We've also learned there is a 9:15 protest from the Fairfax County Republicans set to rally here ahead of that meeting, protesting what they say are Descano's use of sanctuary policy. So certainly a lot developing here that we'll keep a close eye on for you later this morning. Back to you.